What if I told you you could create a high converting landing page without knowing how to code? Would you believe it? Today I'm going to use ChatGPT to create a stunning landing page, and I'll walk you through step-by-step process, a few smart prompts and a little bit of creativity. Let's get started. So here we have our ChatGPT open up. Let's start with our prompt here. Hi, I need to create a landing page for lead generation. My business is, let's say it's a salon, correct? The goal is to get leads. Okay, and what we need to do, we need to get bookings. Can you lead? Can you please design the landing page for my business? I think perfect. So let's see what ChatGPT cooks up. Oh, look at this. Okay, so it's giving a structure, your section about salon. Okay, it's content. Perfect. It sounds good. It says CTA button as well. Book now and get 10% off. So it's doing a little bit of content writing as well. CTA service offered. It's offers testimonials. Okay, lead capture from primary CTA. Okay, why choose a section. Perfect. Wow, look at this. ChatGPT is going insane right now. This is great stuff. Look at this stuff. Perfect. It has everything here section. It has an about salon section. It has the services offered section. It has offers and testimonials. Wow. It says lead capture from primary CTAs, why choose a section, and FAQs as well. Wow, this is fantastic. And a footer. Wow. This is amazing stuff here. Um, let's see. Let's convert this into an HTML or CSS. Let's find how it codes. Let's see what kind of code ChatGPT cooks up here. Okay, it's loading HTML and CSS. Oh, okay, perfect. So now it has started writing the code here, and I'm pretty sure it's going to be really, really amazing because ChatGPT is really insane. It is really genius. So it says salon booking, glam up with a salon name. Okay, perfect. So it's also doing styling as well here. It says chosen pop in font, I think. So it's looking pretty amazing right now. Wow. Man, I think ChatGPT has gone so advanced in such a short period of time. It's mind-boggling, really. I mean, the AI tools, we remember AI tools just like a few years ago, they were terrible. Like they had no coordination, the information was everywhere, and now they have gone perfect. So here it says adding from the form submission email. Okay, so I think ChatGPT is done. Let's copy the code here and put it into our HTML and see what ChatGPT has done. Let's save it. It's a salon.html. Perfect. Let's see. Let's look at the magic. Oh wow, look at that. Wow. So it has a header, throw up, it has a button. It has a form as well. Wow. Why choose a section? Okay. So this is looking pretty amazing right now, not gonna lie. It's really um everything, no code here. Like we haven't written a single line of code here. And this is looking fantastic. Let's try to improve it. Let's ask ChatGPT to do it a little bit more advanced stuff here. Uh, let's say let's ask it to improve the design. Right. Let's say it look like a real and finished design. And has to be eye catching. Yeah, that's the word. Let's see, and stunning. Let's see ChatGPT what does to its own creation. Like how do they improve their own code, and what do chat gpt thinks is an improvement. Let's see. So here we are testing the chat gpt's intelligence as well over here, along with their coding skills, that how the AI model looks at any design and the code, and how it interprets its design value, and how they up their game, right? Because a lot of This goes to training the data models. Chat GPTs and any AI LLM models train their data on publicly available data and lots of questionable data sources. We don't want to talk about it. It's fun. No. So Chat GPT is cooking up right now. It's improving the design. I see a little bit of um, changing content here as well. Okay, so it is done. Perfect. Gradient header, bold typography, style services, testimonial sections. Okay, let's see. Let's see the changes here. Let's see what ChatGPT has improved the design. Because yeah, the first design was a little bit flat here. Okay, let's refresh the page. Ooh, look at that. So it has changed the colors. There is the size changes. Okay. There are some shadows over there. There is an overlay background. Okay. So definitely ChatGPT has improved a little bit of design over here. This is really interesting stuff over here. Wow. How about okay, let's do normal. Let's ask ChatGPT one more time. Let's say it's a finish amaze. The field is missing. Please add some images, some icons, and a lot of cool things in it. Let's see what ChatGPT does again to improve their design. Again, whatever design they have currently made is fantastic. Uh, it's according to the AI and no code model. This is amazing stuff. Like anybody can use. Anybody who doesn't know how to code, who has a small business, who cannot hire a professional designer or coder, I think it is really improving
Stop it. Get some help.
amazing stuff for small business owners. The ChatGPT stuff, right? I mean, they can clearly, with a little bit of changing stuff, they can use a design. It's a usable design. I'm not gonna lie, yeah, because it has all the functions in it. It has the hero section, the why section, the book now section, the form section. So it has everything what you need in a landing page, right? So let's see. In the meanwhile, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to the channel as well. Hit the notification bell as well. And write me in the comments below. What do you think of the ChatGPT's coding section? If you're a developer, if you're a designer, what do you think? How advanced the ChatGPT's the work is, right? Tell me in the comments below. I'd love to know your opinions. Okay, so I think ChatGPT is done. Um, what was added? Headline sections, eye-catching header with call to action, about us section with intro to the salon. Perfect. Okay, so it has improved the stuff. It seems like it. Let's check it right now and see um, what has changed. And the moment of truth. Okay, so it hasn't changed anything much yet, I think. Um, I don't think there was any major changes I could find. Let's look at it. Okay. Um, we'll try one more time. Let's see. Mm, yeah, I don't think there are many changes over here. Okay. Let's ask it one more time. This is exactly the same as previous. Previous one. What else we can say? Please, mm, be more creative. Yes, and show me some uh, real kind of stuffs. Let's see. Let's ask one more time ChatGPT to really improve this time. Because sometimes it is allowed. I mean, they are essentially they are AI. Like it is a model. It has certain features and it has certain limitations. Like there is no deny denial about that, right? Because what they're doing already for free is already fantastic, right? And asking for more is like beating around. You know, it's free stuff. What kind of complaint we could do? I mean, it is still a free stuff. It's a free account, and they're providing such a value without paying anything. The first class designs. They are, of course, these designs are not as world class as a real human would do, but these are fairly really good enough. I mean, this design is a little bit better than a lot of design I have seen amateur designers come up. I'm really surprised at that. Like I have seen worse designs designed by humans. So by the standard of design goes, this design is definitely a little bit more advanced and above normal. I would say it is highly. I wouldn't say it's really good like on a higher spectrum, but I would definitely say it's not below. It's definitely above normal stuff. Let's ask you to add an image as well. Right? Please add an image back in the hero section. Let's see what kind of image ChatGPT comes up with to put it. Again, it's doing its thing very. I'm asking it to do something, and it's starting from the scratch. It's going from first line to the end of the line of the code. I think that they could do a little bit of better over here. Um, nope, no image here. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so there are no images here. Let's see from where the image ChatGPT is getting their images from. Interesting stuff. um, Content writing as well. Again, ChatGPT is like the god for content creators and digital marketers. Like these, it is like a boon, like because digital marketers and content creators have to come up with new ideas, blog post ideas, titles, thumbnails, lots of different ideas, and AI models like ChatGPT really helps in refining their ideas and coming up with new perspectives. So okay, I think it's done. Let's copy the code and let's see what changes finally ChatGPT has made. Let's look at it. Mhm. Okay, so it has added so it has added footer section as well. What else has changed? Nothing, I don't think so. Okay, I think ChatGPT is done its limits. I think it's reached limits in terms of designing and make it more creative. Let's ask it to do it in yellow color based theme, yellow theme. Let's see how ChatGPT handles this prompt. Let's say if ChatGPT can convert this into a yellow colored theme, how it handles. Can it create contrast colors? Can it create more suitable colors? Let's see. Again, so it has an image kind of link here, but there is no image background. Okay. So I asked it to add an image and it didn't add an image. Okay. So ChatGPT, I think, has limitation when it comes to adding images while coding, while doing the coding part. I think because, I mean, we can generate a new image from ChatGPT separately, but I think there is a limit in terms of creativity when it comes to combining multiple complex tasks in a single prompt, right? There are some contexts and some background stuff that other humans can understand by either the body language or either the sentences or words, but the AI cannot deduce all those signs and non-verbal cues, right? So let's see. So it says headline changed, CTA button text updated. Okay, discount line added under the booking form, mobile number made clickable. Okay, and it's doing the yellow theme right now. Okay, so it has done. Let's copy the code here. Perfect, and let's paste it here. Right. Oh, look at that. So it has done what we asked them to do. So it has changed to yellow. Wow, look at this. Now this looks fantastic. Yellow color theme is amazing. Look at it. Wow. So yeah, so ChatGPT understood the the last prompt here. Okay, it didn't do the image part, but it definitely did it. Okay, perfect. It sounds interesting here. Wow. It says maybe some jazz animation or chat widget to catch more leads. Oh wow. So it can also do animation as well. So this is really interesting stuff. Some CSS, some custom animations, and also it's saying the chat widget. Okay, so chat gpt can also add a chat widget as well. So let's ask it something else. Can I make this landing page in .php I think .php file. Okay, and let's see how it can convert it uh, with this email code. Okay, okay, so it has done it. Wow, look at this. This is working fantastic. Like ChatGPT is like your buddy. Not as smart, but definitely your buddy. I mean, ChatGPT will be your side man, your sidekick when it comes to creating smaller tasks, repetitive tasks. I think ChatGPT can handle it very, very, very well. Um, let's see. So let's copy the code here. And so it says save as index.php or any PHP file on your server. Okay. So that sounds interesting. So it also gives us, no, for to non-coding people, non-developers, it also gives us um, the much needed explanations and instructions as well, that how to get on with it, how to apply the code over here. So this is really interesting stuff. Like ChatGPT is thinking one step ahead of the user, right? So let's see here. So we have saved it. Perfect. And let's find out. Let's reveal it. Let's see what it has done. So says required. Okay, value. Perfect. Oh, so look at it. The code looks fantastic. Like it has structure. There are, perfect. So it has done everything. Wow, the titles, the thank you for booking, right? So ChatGPT has not only created the code, but it also has done the explanation part and the content part as well. Right? Let's see. Are you able to write code for, let's say, HubSpot? Um, let's see how it handles. This lead should be sent to my HubSpot account. Yep. Because see, the landing pages will attract leads, right? And we need a lead management system and an connection to the hubs, any lead management, lead capturing API. Okay, wow. So look at this. So it has also created an API section as well. Wow, this is really interesting. So it can, oh, okay. Wow, so it has created a HubSpot API integration as well. This is fantastic stuff. I mean, this is mind blowing. Wow. So you create a landing page. You can also connect it to your HubSpot account or any other lead management system, really, whether it's HubSpot or a Mailchimp or whatever kind of, or just the regular Excel sheet. Okay, so I think it seems like it's done. HubSpot portal start from grid. Okay, perfect. Wow. hmm So let's copy the code over here and let's put it inside our file and see. This and perfect. So now let's see it has done or it hasn't, whether it's successful or not. Okay, has, there we go. So this is the integration part, HubSpot integration code over here, where your landing page is connected to the integration system, HubSpot integration system, so that if I get any leads, it gets captured in the HubSpot system directly. Wow, this is fantastic. Let's see. Next question, final question. Let's see. Can you please give us, let's say, strategy? Like, yeah, we have a landing page, we have lead capturing system. Now we need a really good strategy to promote our business, right, on Facebook and Instagram, right? Because that's where most of the leads are going to be, from we're gonna get our business. Oh wow, look at this. So it has also come up with our business strategy and promotion strategy as well. Look at this. This is great stuff here. Like there is no, this is so fantastic. This is mind blowing. Wow. Photo and carousel ads. Look at this, video ads, story ads with swipe up. Wow. Fantastic. Fantastic. Monitor and optimize. Um, Now, let's say generate an image as well. Let's say we need an image as well, like as in content for Facebook ads, because we're gonna run Facebook and Instagram advertisements on those platforms, and we need a really good images. In the meantime, please subscribe to this channel, like this video, right? And let me know in the comments below, would you try creating landing page in ChatGPT? Because from my perspective, from my POV, this is stuff is insane. Like you don't have to spend a single penny and you can get so much value for free. This is insane. So it's processing image, right? So ChatGPT has blown every other the entire AI game out of the water. It has just completely revolutionized how uh, the creative industry, the coding industry works, and how the entire businesses in general works. Like AI has opened the more avenues that we didn't know never existed, right? Businesses can use AI to just really up their game. There is marketing game, or their services game, or this competition, or finding a new strategy, or finding new customers. Like there are so much that you can that any business owner can create and learn from AI models, like because of the whole computing power. Wow. So look at the wow, it's still image processing image. I think for image processing at ChatGPT is really slow. So it has form. The landing page is looking fantastic. Like, look at this. You had a name, you had a number, what kind of services do you want, and you had an email and book your appointment. And the moment you book your appointment, that lead goes straight to your HubSpot account. Wow, when you get a notification, the HubSpot probably creates their new customer data and assigns the new appointment. This is fantastic stuff here. Okay, it's still processing the image. Wow. Uh, let's see. Oh, look at this. So okay, so it has created an image. Look at this. This is interesting. Wow, fantastic. So it has gone with the yellow color scheme. It says Glam Up Salon. Book your glow up today. Haircut and styling, manicure and pedicure. Let's download it. Perfect. Wow. Look at this. So it has everything we need. Oh, of course, we need a caption for the image as well. So let's ask ChatGPT to write a caption as well, right? Okay, so it has a caption as well. Wow. Ready for glam up? Book your saloon appointment now and get 10% off your first visit. Oh, look at this. This is fantastic stuff. Wow, 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 wow. Just amazing. Just amazing. Look at this. From landing pages to a marketing strategy to creating lead capture integrate. Oh, look at this. Wow. So our landing page is also mobile friendly. Wow, look at this. So it is a responsive design as well. It's not a static design. Wow, look at this. Fantastic stuff over here. Wow, wow. Amazing, amazing, amazing. So you not only get a really good landing page, but you also get a mobile friendly responsive design. This is fantastic stuff over here. Wow. And just like this, you can create a stunning landing pages with AI tools like ChatGPT. And I think that wraps up our video. If you like this video, smash that like button, hit the subscribe button if you're new, and I'll see you in the next one.